Welcome back to OneCharge, where we make lithium-ion batteries for all your material handling equipment. My name is Nate Hyatt, Service Manager for OneCharge, and today we are going to talk about maintenance of a lithium-ion battery. One of the best things about using lithium-ion batteries is that they require zero daily maintenance. That's a major difference from their lead-acid battery counterparts. If you've been working with lead-acid, you know about the daily routine. Your battery needs to be watered. Your battery needs to be charged on a strict schedule and then cooled off for hours. You need a dedicated battery room for charging and maintaining with ventilation, and don't forget the safety gear. Let's face it, lead-acid batteries need a lot of attention, but with a lithium-ion battery, your daily care routine will be completely eliminated. In other words, you don't have to do any of those caretaking tasks, ever. Sometimes our customers find it hard to wrap their minds around all this. After all, they're used to the needs of a lead-acid battery that have been standard practice for decades. Here's some of the typical questions we answer when training lift operators on caring for their OneCharge lithium-ion batteries. Should I water the battery? Nope. Should I take it out of the truck? Nope. Do I need my hazard gear? Nope. In fact, there's nothing you need to do. Really, nothing. Well, our guess is that you'll love your OneCharge battery so much you might want to open the hatch and dust it. But if you forget, that's okay. OneCharge, your superpower.